We're gonna put some nitrous on the gixxer. Alright, what's good, baby? We out here. I'm gonna put this nitrous on the gixxer. Someone asked to see how it's done, so here I am, showing how it's done. Here's your kit, right? You got your nitrous tank, you got your air hose, which is usually, it looks like this, right? And then you have your, injection adapter. So what this is gonna do is this is gonna screw into your air box. You're gonna have shots. Your shot is, whatever size of nitrous shot you want. It's basically the diameter of the outflow, if that makes sense. And then, some kits will come with like a button to activate it. Some of them will also come with like a switch to turn it on or off so you don't drain your batteries. And this one actually comes with a little battery holder as well. Put some 9 volts on there, but we're not going to use any of this because I'm going to mount it directly to the horn, and the horn only has power when the bike is on, so we don't have to worry about it draining or anything. Then you're going to have your positive and negative wiring, which is going to go to your solenoid. And this solenoid is basically like when you press your button to enable your nitrous, this solenoid opens up to allow the flow of nitrous through the tube into your air box. And that's what our horn button is going to do, because you can't hook it up to something like, let's say your Bright or something. I mean, you could, but you want a button that's, you press it and it's on, and when you release it, it's off. You don't want something to stay open. You'll definitely blow your shit up. And then you have, this is the adapters for the solenoid to the tank. And you have some more adapters for the battery and to give power as well. So what I did is I ordered this like water bottle holder almost to mount it, and then I have some more mounting hardware, a bunch of mounting hardware. So the first step is really just finding out, where are you gonna put this tank on your motorcycle? So I got this, right? Nice. And I'm gonna mount it up here. I'm actually gonna drill a hole through the subframe here. Subframes aren't very important. But yeah, so I'm gonna drill a hole through here, and then that'll be mounted. It'll be a really solid mount too. And there's already a hole there as well. I could move it back a bit, a smidgen. It really doesn't matter. I like doing wheelies pretty high, so I'm gonna put it up here. I don't want anything sticking past the tire, so. All right, so now we got the nitrous all, whoa, this camera's trippy. All right, anyway, now we got the nitrous all hooked up. I put it back here. I lined it up with the rear tail. Also got this nice like quick release system, so I can just fill my nitrous. Filled. Perfect. I'm very happy with that. Now it's time to dive into the air box. Make sure that it goes on the battery. I think we don't even need to go to the battery. I think we're just going directly to the horn. This should be a pretty simple process from here. Next up is the solenoid. This bad boy right here. So, why is this camera so trippy? Anyway, so this is the solenoid, and it gets screwed on. We got the out, we got the in. We're gonna put some nitrous on the gixxer. I already did like some beginning videos on all the components, and now I'm gonna do somewhat of a speed install. Bear with me. It's not gonna be too difficult. So basically what I'm gonna do is I wanna get a nice clean view of the air box in order to drill in the jet, right? Or whatever you wanna call it. People call it a shot.
A shot.
I think it's a shot. I think this shot we're doing is pretty decent. It's not gonna be insane, but it's not gonna be R6. The R6 nitrous shot was small.
What was the R6?
The R6 was 15 shot.
15?
It was small. I literally just got it for, 15 horsepower on a 600 difference is big.
Oh, no, yeah.
Especially at the tap of a button, right?
15 shots seems pretty decent for...
Any bike, I guess.
Yeah.
But this is 25, I think, is our min. So
25 shot on this? Oh, yeah, this thing's gonna...
This is kind of the button, it's just the cheat.
It's a scramble button.
Like, all right, you're not winning, now you're winning.
Yeah. You pull up to some nice, clean, newer gen bikes, and they try to bully you, and you just, I got the button.
Now we're basically gonna figure out where we can fit it, where it's not gonna get, interrupted. I'm thinking just like, so this is where it goes in, right? I believe you put your shot in here. This regulates your hit, all your different shot sizes.
All the jets.
Oh yeah, all your jets, your jetties. And these are your like lock. These lock you in. All right, this helps you lock in. And so yeah, you got your shots here. So all very fractionally different, you know. But I'm gonna go with the lowest for now.
We went with a big dog 100 shot of nitrous on an 02 gixxer.
100 shotty. Okay, so this should go on like this. This goes in like this, and then you have your lock. This is what shoots your NOS into your bike. This goes over this. This goes over this. Push this down nice and tight. Under your jet, that goes in there, that goes on there. I fucked up. I did, but I didn't fuck up. Put in a different jet if you want, but this is what it looks like. Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Nice. And also I'm just gonna screw this down into here. I'm gonna put a dab of, I'm gonna put literally a hair of orange Loctite on this. Because these are components you really just don't want. And then we'll just feed it into a perfect spot and drill it. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna take off the air box and figure out exactly how we can seat this injector in there. Once that's done, it's really just clean the contact point on the horn button, and we're just connecting the solenoid to the horn. And so it's basically game on. You just unlock the tube and shoot the lube, you know?
Shoot the lube. Have a 360 set up, ready for tomorrow's ride.
Oh, dude. With the nitrous. I'm hoping someone shows up. I'm hoping we get one person to come with us.
Hopefully.
I could teach gixxer classes. Gixxer rebuild classes. Got a problem with your gixxer? Let me tell you what. I've had those too.
I've had those too. Bro, you went through hell and back with this bike.
Oh, sir, I'm thinking right here now.
Alright, what do we do, Maxie?
Alright. Fuck. It's installed. The nitrous shot is in there. It's resting perfectly on the rail.
Let's see if we can get a light in there.
It's honestly very ideally set up right now, honestly, if I can be truly honest.
So there's our nitrous shot right there. Should be spraying.
I'm gonna spray against the dam, right against this, and it's gonna disperse like nuts. I'm quite confident this is gonna work perfect. We're gonna attach the solenoid right here and we're done. Boom. Easy peasy, man. Let's see what this nitrous does. That'll be a good.
Just hooking up some nitrous. Bro, send it. You're good. Bottle's empty.
My luck.
Jesus Christ.
That's a fat shot. That's a fat shot.
What kind of a shot was that?
Over 200 horsepower right there.
That's gonna send me to China.
Dude, that thing's gonna fucking loop you, bro.
Nah.
Has this ever been done before?
Dude, why is that so big?
Has anybody fucking done this before, man?
Did we over compress it this morning?
Bro, just loosen it from here, no?
Let me tighten it. Holy fuck.
Jesus Christ, dude. I thought it was about to fucking start it.
Dude, I thought that was
Bro, I can't breathe. I'm cramping up, dude.
See how high I jumped? I could feel the air. How?
Shit, dude.
Let's get.
Oh my god, man.
Did it go out? It disconnected. It exploded.
Oh my god. All this is fucking nuts.
Oh, dude, I'm cramping. It fucking hurts.
Sucks. Did it explode or came off of the face? Holy shit.
Let's run this up to your airbox and